Welcome to my channel, guys. Today I would like for you to subscribe, like, and share this video. Now let's get started. Oh, what a treat I have for you today. I have a 1955 Chevy pickup truck. This truck has been restored from the ground up. Comes with the LS3 engine, producing 480 horsepower Chevy performance. And I'd like to thank the owner of this vehicle for allowing me to feature it on this video. I would like to know if you like the exterior and interior color to this vehicle. If so, leave me a comment below. Guys, check out the roll cage integrated into the interior cabin to this vehicle. Nicely done. Continue watching. I'm going to show you the LS3 Chevy engine, which produces 480 horsepower. Dream to have would like to say, be kind to one another and treat the person as you want to be treated, and we will see you on the next video. Thank you for watching and keep pushing forward.